Good day, everyone. My name is Joanna Samson, and I will talk about the shifting from international politics to global politics. So, our objective is address the transitional challenges, foster independence and corporations, and also the embrace the multicentric world. So, what is international politics? International politics is focused on the interaction between sovereign states, which is emphasizes their power, interest, and pursuit of national security, and it also often involves the traditional diplomacy, alliance, and interstate conflicts. While the global politics is broadens the scope to encompass a wider range of actors, including non-state entities like international organizations, multinational corporations, and non-governmental organizations. It also considered the issue that transcend national boundaries such as climate change, global finance, and human rights. International politics and global politics also have a difference key like actors in international actors politics primarily focus on states while the global politics is recognize the increasing influence of non-states actors. While the issue of the international politics traditionally dealt with issues like war, diplomacy, and territorial disputes, while global politics is address complex, interconnected issues like climate change, pandemics, and global crime, global economic crisis. So, in independence naman is global politics acknowledge the growing independence between nations while recognizing the actions in one part of the world can have significant consequence and elsewhere. So, what is shifting? So, shifting is the context of international politics to global politics, which is refers to a transformations or evolutions in how we understand and approach the relationship between the countries or the other actors of the world stage. From state-centric to multi-centric, like that is focused on moves from state-centric to multi-centric, which is acknowledge the multi-influence of multi-actors or the global stage. When the territorial or to transactionals, this is focus shift from issues confined to national borders or to transitional issues that require global corporations. What is the key implications? The number one is challenges to traditional diplomacy, which is the rise of non-state actors complicates diplomacy and requires also the new approach to international relations. While the increased need for corporations is the global problems which is require collective actions necessitating greater cooperation between state and the other actors while the emerging dynamics of power is the distributions of power is changing with non-state actors while the increasing influence. So the overall the shifting from international politics to global politics, which is signifies a change in how we understand the world. It is about the moving beyond just focusing on interactions between countries to acknowledge the influence of other actors like international organizations and the NGOs. This shift is driven by globalizations and the need to address the global issue collectively. It's a move towards a more interconnected and collaborative approach. And that's all. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.